Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today's workout is a 15-minute walking workout. Before we start, please check around you. There's nothing you're going to hurt your feet on or trip over or bash into. You only need the space of your fitness mat. Anytime it seems too much for you, please make the steps smaller. Leave out any arm movement. Take it to 2 steps. Don't worry too much if you're not on the same beat as me. Really doesn't matter. What matters is that you're moving. Well done. Let's add some arms. Right arm goes out to the side, left arm. So trying to keep that at shoulder height if you can. If it's too much, by all means, make it smaller. I will give some slightly more advanced options for people that have been with me for a while or that are a bit more experienced but just want routines at this level. Back to singles. Swing the arms to little bicep curls. So taking the arms to the side, taking them side to side. Well done. Bring it forward for 4, 3, 2, and back for 4, 3, 2. Well done. Back to double steps, so those double arms even. Side arms. Back to singles with a bicep curl. Now if you've got room, bring it forward to me for 4, 3, or 2. If you can only make 2, that's fine. If you've got lots of space, you can make it nice and big. I do that, I come off camera. So keep it at your level. You might only want to do 2 bigger ones, 2 forward, 2 back. Take it to side steps, 2. Arm out, well done. If that's getting too much for you, leave that out. Don't overdo it. Remember, we're trying to get through to the end of the 15-minute workout, so you've got to pace yourself. If you're already breathless, it's too much for you. Well done. Just keep those feet moving. I'm just wiggling my hips side to side, lifting the heels up. So a little bit of a jogger's walk. I'm adding a little bit of twist. So watch your ankles here. If it's uncomfortable on your ankles, alter the movement, just lift the knees straight forward. Or if it's uncomfortable on your knees too, of course. Ready for side step. Now as you're doing your side steps, I want you to shuffle yourself slightly towards your left because we're going to go to doubles. Double. A fairly fast track, so you might need to make the steps a little bit smaller. I'm trying to take the whole width of my mat. I say length of my mat, but I've got quite a big square mat here. You just can't see half of it off the front of the camera. So those that can, we're going to take it to a grapevine. So step, cross behind, step together. If that doesn't work for you, stay with the ordinary double step. I'm going to turn in a moment and show you how that works. You step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step. If you'd rather do it half time, that's fine too, or stay with your double side steps. Let's, for those that want it, add some arms and a knee lift on the end. Really is up to you. If that doesn't feel right, just stay with where you were. And keep breathing. Are you ready? Hold it here. Knee lifts. I'm going slightly out to the side. Work slightly different muscles. If that doesn't work for you, you can just keep it as a little toe tap, opening out through the hip, turning out. Find this one quite intense. If you want to make it really harder, add arm movements, pulling down. I'm going to leave that out because for me, it's enough to concentrate lifting my leg off the ground. Well done. Let's take it down to the tap. Back to the jogger's walk, lifting the heels, maybe with a little bit of wiggle in the hips, just to give them a bit of a loosening after that intense knee lift work. Double side step. Well done. You're doing great. But don't worry if you're struggling with some of the moves. As long as you don't feel uncomfortable, make up what feels right for you. It's your body, your workout. You've got to do what feels right for you. Make it bigger if you want, smaller if you want. So whatever's right for you is right for you. I'm not going to dictate what level you do it at. I just want you to do the best you can for yourself. Okay, next time we're going to pause at the end, tap out, side, 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 side. So I'm just touching the toe out to the side. Toes on the floor, although I suppose if you wanted to, you could lift it, give yourself a bit more of a challenge. Keep moving. You're starting with a little toe tap in front for this track. Well done. Remember to pace yourself. So if you've got plenty of energy, add a bit of attitude, add a little bit of a bounce. If you're struggling and you're maybe a little bit overweight or recovering from an illness and you want to just do a gentle workout, that's fine too. Kind of take it up a bit, add some energy, but you work at your level. Well done. Okay, we're going to take it across with a kick. So soft knees, try not to snap your knees out. Now again, I'm lifting my foot off the floor, kicking across. If that's too much for you, just try and get a little bit of a across the body, keep the toe on the floor to help you balance. Go with what works for you. We're going to work these muscles in your hips, really helping you balance. If you're standing on one leg, it's going to help it even more, but I don't want you falling over. Well done. Well done. Okay, go back to the toe tap. I can remember back in the 80s, spending hours in the disco just doing this. Nothing else, just tap the toe in front. Last 4, 3, and we're going to go back to that kick across or toe tap across. Keeping the elbows soft if you're throwing your hands away. Don't have to do the arms, it's what's right for you. Let's catch the beat and march, right, left, right, left. We're going to go to a side step. So step and tap. Step and bring the foot together. Now, if you've got plenty of energy, make that nice and big. Add some bicep curls for now. If that's too much, this is fine too. You've got to go with what's right for you. Catch your breath if you need to. Well done. Don't forget to have a glass of water nearby when you're working out. If you feel a bit thirsty, just walk over to your glass, have a sip, come back again. Let's change the arms. So I'm keeping my shoulders quite relaxed, but trying to lift them up about shoulder height. You need a nice clap if you want with your hands. A bit loud on the microphone, so I will keep that down. Bring it forward for 2. And back for 2. If you haven't got room for that, you just have to stay on the spot. Well done. Keep those feet moving. Taking the foot out side to side. Let the arms swing gently. Just start to cool the body down now. You still have the option to make the movements even smaller if that's what you need to do. So shoulders are nicely relaxed. So again, if that's all you're going to do, that's fine too. A little bit for the balance. Well done. Keep that head up. Lengthen the back of the neck. Comb now. Other side. So just do it as and when it feels right with the movement of your body. So I'm not in time with the music particularly. I'm doing it when it feels right. So confuse your brain. Let's just keep those feet going. Well done. Heel digs in front. So I've turned so you can see what I'm doing. Lifting up those toes. So I've got the other knee slightly bent to make it easy. A little bend, but it is small. I'm doing a gentle bicep curl. It's what feels right for me. Do what feels right with your arms. If you want to swing them side to side, that's fine too. I'm going to take it to 2 side step. Step together, step together. Only small now though. Circle shoulder, other side, circling back. Keep it nice and small though. Just getting a little bit of extra mobility in the shoulder, loosening it up. If you can't get the shoulder, just stay, keeping the feet moving, as this is meant to be a walking workout. Last time right, last time left. Single side steps, step and touch, step and touch. So stepping out, bring the feet together, well done. Circling the arm back. 4, 3, 2 and change. 4, 2 and change. That can be low as well if you want. Yes. One more each side, and I'm going to change that. We're going to lift the heels and walk through. Trying to keep the hips level, keeping the tummy in. Bring the arms forward and back, forward and back. So try not to lift the chest as you go back. The shoulders are relaxed, arms heavy. Just watch. You're not going to bash anything. Very close to the wall here. Ready for that side step, double. Other side. Well done. Singles. Double. On the spot, lifting the heels. Well done. Let's finish with a stretch today. Usual stretch we do just to give our calves a little bit of a stretch. I'm going to start by just lifting up the heels and taking one heel back, bringing it in. Push that heel all the way into the mat, bring it in, and then I'm going to ask you to hold that right heel down into the mat. Watch they're both facing forward. If you find that you're wobbling a bit, take that front foot wider. And we're trying to keep the hips facing me at the front. I'm going to turn again side by so you can see. So we don't want this sort of movement. I want the body facing the same way. Have a look at what's going on with your knee, knees above the ankle. Wherever that stretch is felt in the calf for you, or even wherever you feel the stretch in the calf. Well done. Sometimes I have trouble with my words. Okay, let's change sides. Let's just start by tapping back. Do the right leg the first time, Remember which leg you did. We want to stretch both, have evenness in both sides of the body. Watch you've got your balance. A nice straight line. You can't see anything when I do it that way. Try and relax your head down. Once you're in position, don't look at me, look down or look forward, relax. Feel what's going on with your body. Are you feeling the stretch in the calf? If not, maybe adjust the foot, turn the heel out a little bit. Feel it where you feel you need it, but front knee above the ankle, between the ankle and the toe. Knee shouldn't be dropping in. So what I mean by dropping in, it shouldn't be here, it should be straight forward. Have a look and see. Well done, shake out your legs. That's all for today. I'm so pleased you made it to the end of the workout. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.